want you to see that view again. This is what I love about my home state. I love these beautiful green rolling hills. That's because I'm an old hillbilly boy. And I want to walk over here and show you something. Here comes somebody else up the road. It takes a four-wheel drive vehicle to get up this hill, and that might be my brother John. I'm not sure, but I want to get you over here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. I'm going to try to hold the camera in such a way. If you will look, there's my big finger. Right through those tree limbs right there, you can see the skyline of Nashville, which is we figure it's about 30 miles away. And I want to come on around the house this way, around this patio, and let you look off there. Wish you and Donovan and Daniel was here with us. See you later. Love you. Bye.